Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we'll do economics. In our previous class also we have talked about economics. Now we'll go through this and we are learning the first chapter, development. Before going through this chapter, let us talk about economics. What is economics? Economics is a subject that is related to all human activities that generate income or that generate money, and money is a medium of exchange. So we require money, it is a medium, and all the activities related to the money or related to the generation of money is called economics. Now we are talking about development. In our previous class also we have talked about development. Development means progress. From ancient times, development has taken place. Slowly but steadily, continuously development is taking place. Now at present also development is taking place. So development is all around. Once you were very young and small baby, now you have grown up, development has taken place. Once you are in class 1, now you have reached in class 10. Development has taken place. Improvement and proceeding further. So development. Now we'll talk about what development promises. What development promises, and different people, different goals. Different people have different notion of development. Development means different thing to different people. One definition cannot fit everyone. Development means different thing to different people. In our previous class we have talked about a farmer, a rich urban girl, or a trader, a farmer, we have a household, a wife, or a common peasant. Each one has got different views about development. So we'll talk about now. Number one, first, different people, different goals. What are the goals? What development promises? Now here, different people can have different developmental goals, different views about development, different ideas about development. And what may be development for one may not be development for other. We have learnt in our previous class the example of a dam, construction of a dam. People in the towns and people, industrialists, they want more electricity and they want that the government should build more dams so that they can have more energy, more electricity at a cheaper rate. But the people in the village or in the remote areas, they do not want the government to build the dams because it will submerge their farmlands, their villages. So they don't want. You see that? Different people have different developmental goals, and what may be development for one may not be development for other. It may be sometimes destructive for others, such as construction of dams. It is destructive for those people who live there in the village where dam is being constructed. For the city people, for the industrialists, construction of dam is development. They can have more power at a cheaper rate. But for those people who live there near the dams, it may be destructive for them. So you see that development means different thing to different people. Now here, income and other goals. Income. Since we are learning economics, income, it is related to money. So income, most of the people, they want income. Without income, how can they survive? They need money. They require money. It's a medium of exchange. So income and other goals. There are 4 points here I wrote. More are there. So in our next class we'll. So number one, the common thing, after going through all these things, we can understand, look around and try to understand what people want. The common thing, what people desire, what people want are regular work. They want regular work. Regular work means regular income. Better wages, better payment for their services, for their product or for their goods, better wages for better work, good price for their products, whatever they produce they want good price for that, and whatever labor, whatever service they provide they want good price for that. So that means overall they want good income. One. Number two, in other words, people want more income. If you have more income, you can have everything. Your living standard rises. You'll have a good living standard. But if you don't have income, naturally you find it very difficult to survive. So, number three, besides income, not only income, there are other things that people require and people want. Besides income, people wishes equal treatment. Wherever you are working, you require or you want equal treatment. Equal treatment in the workplace, freedom, security and respect above all. A person may be working in some company. He has got a high salary, a good amount of money he is earning, but if he doesn't get respect, do you think that the person will work there for a long time? No. Money doesn't matter here. Respect, equal treatment. So these goals also are very important, not only the income. So freedom, security, respect and equal treatment, all these are important goals. These are also important goals people seek, people want, apart from earning money. Here money is not more important. Here other goals are more important. Many people, they do not seek money also. Suppose if you are appointed in one firm or one company, first of all you will ask what they are paying me. First. Second, how far is the place? How will I go? Where will I stay? Or what kind of people are there? What is the environment of the work? If these things are not suitable, then he will not go to join that job, because money is not all the things. He wants other things. So these are the goals. In some cases, these goals are more important than more income. In certain cases, these goals are more important than the income. You see that? Because material goods, money and material goods are not all that you require to live happily, peacefully. In order to live peacefully, happily, you require other goals, other things apart from money. So these are the things, these are the goals which we require in order to live peacefully, happily. If you have a lot of money, but if you are not at peace, there is no use. You will lose your health, and later on, consequently, you will lose your money. After, when your health goes down, naturally you have to go for the treatment, and all your money goes down. Money is not that important. Other things are also very, very important, and people seek those goals. They compare. If people look at the money only or the income only, later on they have to repent. They have to look at other things also, other goals. If there is peace, or if there is security, if there is friendly environment, suitable environment, working condition, what type of working condition is there, or whether the person will get respect or not there. These are the things very important, apart from income. So now in our next class we'll talk about other more things. So this was for today, and hope we'll meet in our next class. And do your work sincerely, properly, regularly at home. You go through the book, and if you don't have the book, you can copy this out, so that every day we'll learn, and you can make a note also. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet in the next class. Stay safe.